Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss another problem, but before going forward, if you have not liked the video, please like it, subscribe to my channel so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the problem is Coco eating bananas. Very easy and interesting problem. So see, Coco loves to eat bananas. There are n piles of bananas. The ith pile has these many piles. The guards have gone and will come back in HRs. Coco can decide her bananas per hour eating speed of K. Each hour she chooses some pile of banana and eat K bananas from that pile every hour. If the pile has less than K bananas, she eats all of them and will not eat any other banana during that particular hour. Okay. So Coco likes to eat slowly but still wants to finish eating all the bananas before the guards return. Return the minimum integer k. K is the per hour eating speed of Coco. Minimum integer k we need to return such that she can eat all the bananas within h hours. So very interesting problem. Let's understand what the problem is. See, we are given few things, right? Coco has to eat all the bananas. These are different piles. There are four piles, right? And each pile, let's say this first pile has 3 bananas. So all are bananas and there are these 4 piles. Coco has to eat all these bananas in H hours. H hours. In each hour, Coco can eat K bananas. K bananas. Right? And from any pile, Coco can, like from this pile, Coco can choose K bananas and will eat those bananas in 1 hour. Then she will choose K bananas from this pile and will eat. Suppose if a pile does not have K bananas, it has less than K bananas, then all those bananas Coco will eat and then she will not eat any other banana within that hour. Right? So this is the problem. What we need to do is we need to return the minimum integer. K means we need to tell the minimum amount Coco should eat in an hour. Like minimum number of bananas Coco should eat each hour such that all the bananas are finished within h hours. Right? So this minimum value we need to give. Without first of all, let's see what will be the output for this. So let's say I'm taking a random value. I am taking 3. Let's say I am taking K as 3. That Coco will eat 3 bananas. That is 3 bananas per hour. 3 bananas per hour. Right? So see, first of all, we have total 8 hours, right? 3 bananas Coco will eat. So first of all, Coco will eat all these 3 bananas. These will become 0 and 1 hour is gone. Coco eat 3 bananas. Then after she goes here in this pile, 3 bananas she eat in 1 hour. 1 more hour is gone and 3 are left from this 6. 6 bananas were there, 3 she ate, so 3 are left. Right? Then again in the next hour, 1 more hour she eats these 3 and now nothing is left from this pile. Right? I hope you're following. Then she comes to this pile, eat 3 bananas for 1 hour. So these 7 minus 3, 4 are left. Then from these 4 bananas, again Coco will eat 3 bananas. So 1 banana will get left and 1 more hour will be added. Now see, 1 banana is only left. Coco can in an hour, Coco can eat 3 bananas. But 1 banana is left, so Coco will eat 1 banana and for no or other banana, Coco will eat in that hour. So 1 hour is again added. See, it was mentioned in the question that if the pile has less than K bananas, over here, pile has 1 banana which is less than K. K was 3. So if that is the case, then she eats all of them, like Coco will eat one, all whatever is left, and will not eat any other banana during that hour, right? Then these are finished. Now Coco will go here. 11, from 11 Coco will eat 3 bananas, 1 hour will be added, and the left will be 8. Then Coco will again eat 3 bananas, left will be 5, 1 more added, hour. Then Coco will eat all 3 bananas, 2 will be left, 1 more hour added, and Coco will eat all these bananas. Now these are less than k, so Coco will eat all these 2 and 1 more hour will be added. So if you see, if the per hour capacity eating capacity of Coco was 3 bananas, then in order to complete all these bananas, how many hours Coco needs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 hours. But Coco needs to complete in 8 hours. All the bananas she has to eat in 8 hours. Right? But it is taking 3 hours if we in each hour if Coco eats 3 bananas. So this is not the answer. 3 is not the answer. Now what do you think? We need to decrease this time. We have to eat in 8 hours. So what we should do? What should Coco do? Coco should increase its per hour eating speed, na? Right? I hope you're getting. So see, if the overall time which is taking, if the this time is the total time, if this time was greater than this h, then it means that Coco's speed is less, it should be more. So we will increase its speed, Coco's per hour eating speed. So what we will do is we will make it 4. Let's take it 4. Now see, let's quickly do that. So let's do it here. 3, 6, 7, 11. 3, 6, 7, 11. See, we are discussing this so that you can think of the approach, right? 3, 6, 7, 11 and total hours in which she has to eat is 8. Now if k is 4, means 4 bananas per hour. So let's see. Now this is P1 pile, P2 pile, P3 pile and P4 pile. This pile has 3 bananas. It is less than k, so 1 hour needed. These piles, these all bananas Coco will eat. Then Coco will come here. 4 bananas she will eat. 2 are left. 4 bananas she will eat. 1 hour will be taken for that. Then 2 are left. She will eat 2 and 1 more are taken. So these will complete. Then Coco will come here. Eat 4 bananas. 1 are taken. 3 are left. Then 3 bananas she will eat. 1 more hour will be taken for that and these will complete. Now come here. 4 bananas she will eat. 1 hour taken and how many are left? 8 are left. Then I think 7 are left. Then what she will do is again she will eat 4 bananas per hour. 1 hour more are taken. 4 bananas, 3 are left. Then she will eat 3 bananas. 1 more hour will be taken. So see how many hours she is taking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. See, with 4 value she is able to eat in 8 hours. So 4 could be our answer. 4 could be our answer. Alright. Now if we take let's say we have 3, 6, 7, 11. 3, 6, 7, 11 and let's h we have as 8 hours. Let's take k as bigger value. Let's take it as 7. So if 7 bananas she eat in per hour, how many hours she will take? This will be completed in 1 hour. This will be completed in 1 hour. This will be completed in 1 hour. And for this 11 minus 7, this will be 4. 4 will be left, 1 hour taken. And then for 4, another hour will be taken. So see, how many she is getting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So 5 hours she is able to eat all the bananas. Right? So see, 5 is less than this h. She has to eat in this h. So what we can see from here is if k is greater, obviously the time will be less, 5 hours. Now we need to return the minimum integer k, minimum value of k which she per hour she should eat, so that all the bananas are completed within h hours. So what we can do is we can analyze. So if you're getting the approach, see what we were doing is, if we take over here, we have taken k, when we have taken k as 3, we have taken k as 3, then we were not able to, then there were 10 hours, then we increased k value to 4, and then were 8 hours. So if you see, when this is your total, right, this is your total, when your total means the time is greater than h, means the number of hours you need to take, like it was in case of 3, when we take k as 3, so this was the case, that total was coming out to be 10, then it means that you need to increase your k value, but if your total is less than h, means it's getting completed earlier, means you can decrease your k value. It's very, you are like, Coco is eating very fast, so even if we decrease this k value to some less value, maybe then she could complete. And since we need to return the minimum value of k na, so we will try that, we will try to decrease it, so we can decrease k in this. So with this analysis, can you are you able to think that this could be done using binary search? Binary search, how binary search? See, over here k value is depending on whether how many total hours are there. If the total number of hours which are there, if k value is specific, if they are greater than h, then we will do k is equal to mid plus 1, we will increase its value. But if total is less than h, then we can increase the value, like we can increase the k value, right? Over here we should decrease the k value. Sorry, I'm saying the opposite, right? So I hope you're getting it, what we are doing. This is a clear binary search on answer concept. Will be, see, whenever there is minimum integer we need to find, and there is constraint that complete within this many hours or this many resources you have. So in that questions we can use binary search. So binary search, we have to, this concept is called as binary search on answer. Binary search on answer. Why answer? See, over here what is answer? Answer we need to return is k. So binary search on answer means k will be our deciding factor. K will, what we will check is whether in this, let's say initially k is 1. See, what will be the range of k? On answer means k will be the deciding factor. On k we will make our binary search. So what could be the maximum value which we can eat, like Coco can eat in a particular hour? 11 could be the maximum value Coco can eat in per hour, and 3 is the minimum value Coco can eat, right? So the maximum value Coco can eat in a per hour will be 11, and minimum will be 3. Minimum Coco can eat could be 1. Minimum could be 1, and maximum Coco can eat could be 11, let's say, right? So what we will do is we will do binary search. We will find middle element, and we will check for this k value. For this k value, how much time, total time is Coco needed? How much total time Coco is taking to eat all the bananas? If that total time, see over here, if that total time is greater than the hours which we need, which we are given, means it's taking very long. Coco is taking long, then it should like it should complete in h hours, but it's taking long. So that means that we need to increase our k value. We need to make Coco eat more. So in that case, we will do k plus 1. We will do our k will become mid plus 1. We will increase our k value so that it takes less time now. Otherwise, if the total which is coming is less than h, means Coco is eating fast. So that means that we can, if Coco is eating all the bananas in less than h time, maybe we can try to decrease k. We try to decrease k so that maybe it can eat it can also eat all the bananas in some less k value. So then k we will do mid minus 1. So this is the case. Now let's try it. Let's say we have 3. We have 3 and 3, 6, 7, 11. 6, 7, 11. And our h is given to be 8. Right. Now we will have, let's take just a minute. 3, 6, 7, 11 we have. And let's take left and right. This, so we are doing binary search as we do general binary search. Left will be 1, let's say, because minimum Coco will eat 1 banana na, per hour, right? This is your per hour thing. And so basically this is your k, left and right. K is your, this is your deciding factor, right? Right will be, let's say, 11. You can take right as infinity also, like infinity as in a big number you can also take, or you can take like maybe 11 you can take. So what we will do is 1 plus 11 by 2. This will be our k. Let's try with this k. So this will be 12 by 2, which we get is 6. So 6 will come here. And we will check for 6. How many hours Coco take? So if k is 6, so how many hours will Coco take? Let's see. Just quickly we can do it. Over here, so these will be completed in 1 hour. Then these will be completed in again 1 hour, 6. Then this will be complete. 6 bananas Coco will eat in 1 hour and 1 will be left. So that one Coco will eat in again 1 hour. And then over here 11, 11, 6 will Coco will eat, 5 will be left. And that 5 will be Coco will eat in 1 hour again. So how many hours? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours. So 6 hours Coco is taking. So this is your total hours. Now these total hours is less than h. H was 8. Means Coco is eating faster. Coco is eating fast means k is very big. Maybe we can try to reduce our k because we need to return minimum k, right? So what we will do over here, if total is less than h, just decrease k. So k was here initially. Now what we will do is, this was mid, this was our mid. Now we have to decrease k value. So right will come at mid minus 1. So right will become 5. 6 minus 1. Right. Now again we will calculate mid. So mid will come out to be 1 plus 5 by 2. This will be 6 by 2. 3. So k we will take as 3. So we are earlier calculated for 3. For 3 total hours were coming to be 10. So these, see, now k is over here, which is 3. Now 10 was very big. 10 was big. We have to complete in 8 hours, but 10 was very greater, right? 10. So we have to increase the speed of Coco eating bananas per hour. So what we will do is, now left will shift to k mid plus 1. So left will be 3 plus 1 because we need to increase the value of k now. So left will become 3 mid plus 1. So mid is your 3. So left will become 4. So our left will come up to be here, left, and right is at 5 only. So again we will calculate the middle point. Middle point will be 4 plus 5 by 2, left plus right by 2. This will be 9 by 2. This will come out to be 4. Now we have earlier seen that for k is equal to 4, total hours were coming out to be 8, which is equal to our h. Hence, this is the ideal speed. This is the ideal speed for Coco to eat per hour, 4 bananas per hour, and in that Coco can completely eat all the bananas. Right. I hope you understood how we got to binary search. Right. Pretty much, if you have done a lot of binary search questions, when you will see this question, you will automatically understand that in this problem you will be using binary search. because whenever it's minimum integer and you have a constraint to complete within a particular time or something, then binary search is used, yeah, right? Now let's see the code once. So see, left we have taken as 1, and right you can take a big value, anything you can take. While left is less than right, we will find mid. This is our k value, right? Can eat in time, this is a function which will tell us whether time is greater or less, like total is less than h or total is greater than h, right? In this we are calculating the hours, right? We are going to each pile and we are dividing it by k to find the hours. And if the value is not, like if it is less than, let's say k, like it was 3 here when k is 4, so 3 mod 4 will be 3. So for that just increase 1 hour, like that. So this will tell us if the total hours is less than equal to h, means it's completing earlier. Then if this is, it will, if it is completing earlier, it will return true. And then just it is completing earlier, so k is very big, reduce k value, means reduce right, otherwise increase left, and at last we need to return left. That will have our answer. All right, I hope you understood the approach and the code. Let's discuss the time complexity. Time complexity, see, over here we are going to each pile, so this is a linear loop, right? So if the piles, let's say there are n piles, so n into this we are doing every time. So this is a k range, like we are assuming that our k value can be from 1 till this value, could be from this 1 to this value. So let's say these are m count, so it will be log of m. Why log? Because every time we are either going to left side or we're going to right side, right? Left or right. So I hope you understood the approach and the code. Very interesting question. And if you have any doubts, let me know in the comments. And if you like the video, please like it, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.